What's up guys? Samsung just got done unveiling the Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus and the Galaxy S20 Ultra, and we are already graded by the Galaxy Note 20 design. So yeah, here we have our first look of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Yeah guys, we got some official renders of the Note 20. These aren't the official renders, but considering what the company's practice has been in the recent years, it's not difficult to believe that the images you're about to see will represent the upcoming flagship phablet. Let us take a look at these renders and see what has potentially changed. Thanks to a collaboration between Windows United and the YouTube channel Waqar Khan HD, concept renders showing the Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus and the Galaxy S20 Ultra can give you an idea of how these devices will look. From the front, they look identical to the Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, except the time there's a third member belonging to the Galaxy Note 20 lineup. In terms of visuals, the Galaxy Note 20 design sports a more rectangular look compared to the Galaxy S20 family, and this has been Samsung's desired choice of shape for many years now. If you take a gander at the backside, the rear camera appears to be the same as the one belonging to the Galaxy S20, Galaxy S20 Plus and the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Either the Galaxy Note 20 design you are seeing in these concept renders weren't given much though, or Samsung is finding it more and more difficult to separate the differences between the two flagship series. It's either of the two. Sadly, there's no concrete launch date decided for the Galaxy Note 20, so we'll have to update in the future. As for the actual differences, it looks like Samsung may employ some subtle ones. This can range from the slightly improved cameras to a high refresh rate compatibility on the maximum resolutions to others. Since nothing is confirmed at this stage, it's best to treat any information as pure speculation. What you can rely on, however, is that boxer Galaxy Note 20 design, as we are confident Samsung will choose this look. Do you believe the Galaxy Note 20 design will be different than what's shown in these concept renders? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, I just wanna say, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.